Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. We're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in financial circles minus the 2025 recession. Yes, you heard that right. It's a headline grabbing attention and sparking debates across the nation. So stick around, because you're not going to want to miss this vital information. And now, let's set the stage. We're talking about Trump's planned market crash. Sounds dramatic, right? It has a ring to it that might remind you of intense political drama we often see in the media. But what does it mean for us? We need to explore whether the markets are already feeling the heat of a possible downturn. Have you felt that inkling in your investment strategy? Let's be real, if you're involved in finance, you're like a barometer of the market's mood. So, let's jump right in and dissect this topic. Picture this: the bond market, a key indicator of economic sentiment, is looking quite restless. Anxious even. Are you familiar with the term bond yields and what they can tell us about the economy? For those of you shaking your heads, don't worry. In simple terms, when bond yields rise, it often indicates fears of inflation or an economic slowdown. Just think about the last time you checked your financial portfolio. Did you notice any fluctuations that raised your eyebrows? And what about inflation? This can be a double-edged sword. How does inflation affect your wallet? When prices rise, the purchasing power of your money decreases. Has that ever made you feel like your earnings are slipping through your fingers? Let's consider the impact of inflation trends on your investments, because no one likes to lose the hard-earned cash. What are your thoughts on how inflation could shape your financial future? We'd love to hear your input. Feel free to drop comments below. Okay, let's shift gears and talk a little bit about the political landscape. Economics and politics are like two sides of the same coin. We've all seen how political decisions ripple through the financial markets. Trump's policies during his previous term gave us quite a spectacle, didn't they? What will happen now, considering the looming 2025 recession and the anticipation of market shifts? It's a real nail-biter. How can we navigate this tumultuous path? And here's a pop quiz for you. If you could describe the 2025 market outlook in one word, what would it be? Don't be shy, let's all participate. The overall sentiment swings like a pendulum based on investor confidence. The more confident we are, the sturdier our markets tend to be. But in uncertain times, even the most seasoned investors can feel jittery. Have you ever made investment decisions while feeling the pressure of market volatility? And don't forget, market timing is crucial. A little birdie tells me that some folks are already making moves in anticipation of this downturn. Are you among those? What strategies are you considering as we brace ourselves for potential changes? No one said it was easy, but planning can make a world of difference. Let's start a conversation. We continue our journey today. I want you to think about the future. The key question remains, are we ready for what's coming? Many analysts out there are sounding the alarm bells. But instead of feeling overwhelmed, let's empower ourselves with knowledge. The more we understand economic indicators, the better we can prepare for shifts and changes. What's your take? Share it with us. Also, before we wrap this up, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Joining us means you get updates, insights, and comprehensive breakdowns of these financial topics, affectionately crafted just for you. Together, let's unlock your financial potential. Conclusion. While the gloom of a recession can feel daunting, I urge you to remain curious, informed, and engaged. You have the power to shape your own financial destiny. Thanks for sticking around.